from Just8ate.com, and today I'm going to be showing you and expanding your minds on how to make an easy Pico De Gallo. Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? To make Pico de Gallo, you need some tomatoes chopped up and some onions. Now, I like to chop my onions. And then we need some cilantro. In other parts of the world, they call this coriander leaves. Now, I actually have some food scissors here and just chop it up like that. And it works either way. And sprinkle a little bit of salt and mix it up with a spoon, and there you go. Easy Pico de Gallo. I told you, it's really, really easy. Definitely hit the like button and the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could get a notification whenever we upload another video. And hey, maybe hit the share button, share it out with your family and friends. And here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends, always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Real quick, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that tells me that you like this video.